Hello, this is JP Salibi from the Priority Health Academy, and I'm announcing the 4th Annual Functional Medicine Symposium that will be happening mid-July 2021. As in years past, this 4th Annual Functional Medicine Symposium will have lectures on a variety of functional and integrative medicine topics. Speakers will be regional and national experts in their field, and a full list of topics and speakers will be present on our frequently updated Crowdcast page. So please check that for updates on all relevant topics, lectures, and speakers. For those interested in making donations to our nonprofit, a certificate of completion, once a survey is completed, will be sent to you via email. Registration is pretty simple and easy. All you have to do is go to the URL www.crowdcast.io/e/FxMed Symposium 2021. That's Functional Medicine Symposium 2021. If you go there, it's a simple process of registering. I believe they only ask you for your first name and your email address. You will be giving notifications once you register for the upcoming event, and this event will be archived for later viewing as well. Donations to Priority Health Academy, a nonprofit 501c3 organization, is being accepted and greatly appreciated. Once again, the speakers and topics will be listed on the Crowdcast page, but the timeline will be July 17th. All pre-recorded lectures will be uploaded. They will be available and archived July 18th, and they will be available online in perpetuity. For those registrants, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at dr.salibi@carolinaholisticmedicine.com, and we are also having a GoFundMe educational campaign to help educate our nurse practitioners and physician's assistants in functional medicine. So the GoFundMe URLs are listed here on this page with a hyperlink at the bottom. So if you are so inclined to donate, that would be fantastic to help further the education of our advanced providers.